Hello everyone, welcome back to POV Drives. Today, let's go for a quick drive in this 2022 Lexus ES350. This is just the ES350, it's not an F Sport or anything. I have a video I made on another 2022 ES350 F Sport, which you can check out as well. So here's the gauge cluster. It's not as advanced as the one in the F Sport, but it's still digital for the most part. Looks good. Materials are really nice in here. This has a 3.5 liter V6 with 302 horsepower. Ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. Yeah, the seats look beautiful. It's really nice. Let's put it in sport mode. So yeah, the F Sport has Sport Plus. This one just has Sport. So as you'd expect from a nice Lexus, it's very smooth, very luxurious. Engine noise is very minimal. Cabin insulation's quite impressive. Pickup is great. Transmission shifts very smoothly. This car definitely has that luxury car vibe, 100%. And all the materials are really nice in here, as you would expect. You have a pretty big screen in here, which is nice. And you have the touchpad as well. Not a big fan of that touchpad at all, but at least the screen is also touchscreen. A little bit of torque steer. Yeah, I like this car. Luxurious, comfortable, good looking. What more could you want, right? You want a luxury cruiser, this is a nice car for sure. I've always been impressed with Lexus's build quality. It's phenomenal. Brake test, pretty good. Let's go for a quick walk around of this video before we conclude. This one doesn't have the LED headlights. It looks like it just has like the standard ones. And you also have incandescent turn signals. Kind of outdated right there. I've always liked the door handles in these Lexus cars. You have a LED daytime running light. Spoiler. This one doesn't have Mark Levinson sound. This is a pretty basic one in terms, but even for a basic ES350, it's really, really nice. I like it. But yeah, that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.